Assalamu alaikum sir. My name is Hassan Ubanna Shadin. My ID is 211353163. I was assigned to code Cipher algorithm. So here is my code. I do it in Python language. First I will discuss or explain the code, and the last I will show the output of this code. Let's discuss the code. First I initialize the variable k and number to 0, and here is the main loop. The program runs in a loop until the user enters 3 to exit. Here I define 3 to exit, or we can say that execute the code. And this portion display menu and promote the user to enter a choice for encryption, decryption, or exit the code or execute the code. In this portion, the encryption portion, in this portion the user will ensure that the user enters only alphabetic character for plain text, and this portion will ensure that the user enters an integer for the encryption key, and the encryption logic is here in this portion. Now I will explain the encryption logic. For character in plain text, the code uses generator expression to iterate through each character is given plain text through the for character in plain text, and this one. And order character 65 converts the ASCII value of the character to its corresponding index in the alphabet, assuming uppercase letter, and the plus key shift the index by the encryption key, and the %26 warps around the alphabet by using the module operators to ensure the index stay within the range of 0 to 25. +65 converts the resulting index back to the ASCII value of the corresponding uppercase letter. And in this portion, the cipher text is printed. In this portion, it is the decryption option. As the first encryption, we ensure the input is alphabetic character for the cipher text, and same to the key, that we ensure that the user enters and it is for the decryption key. And here is the decryption logic. Now I will explain the decryption logic. Similar to the encryption logic, the code iterates through each character is given cipher text. And order character -65 converts the ASCII value to the character to its corresponding index in the alphabet. Minus key shift the index in the opposite direction for decryption. %26 warps around the alphabet, and +65 converts the resulting index back to the ASCII value of the corresponding uppercase letter. And plain text is equal to join. This portion joins the character obtained from the decryption process into a string, formatting the plain text. And in this portion, it's print the plain text. And in this portion, if the user choose option 3, the program prints a message indicating successfully exit, or we can say that the execution of the program. If the user enters an option other than 1, 2, or 3, the program prints a message indicates that it's not a valid input and it is this portion. And the main loop repeats until the user chooses to exit by entering 3. That's all. That's the explanation of my code. Now I will show you the output for this code. Here you can see we have 3 options, that enter 1 for encryption and 2 for decryption or 3 to exit. So I choose first encryption. So I enter 1. Then I have a message that enter plain text only alphabetic characters. So I choose my name Hasanul as the plain text. And we have another message that enter key for encryption integer. In the message that integer is mentioned. So I choose 1045 for the encryption key. Here you can see the cipher text that MFXFSZQ. And we have also a message that we can enter 1, 2 or 3. We are seeing this message because I have not entered 3 to exit. So in this, from this I will choose 2 to decryption. We have a message that enters cipher text only alphabetic characters. So I choose the cipher text that I have encrypt MFXFSZQ, and I will choose the key, the same key 1045, and here is the plain text Hasanul that I have choose in the encryption option. Let's see the ensuring alphabetic character or another character. Let me choose first one. Here is the ensuring option, enter plain text only alphabetic. If I enter 1, 2, 3, 4 not alphabetic character, it will show that invalid input plus enter only alphabetic character. So we can say that the ensurement is correct. So that's all about my assignment. Thank you, sir.